So welcome back guys in our second part of Quadro graphics card video tutorial. So in the first part these things are completed. So just simply press 7 on keyboard and add a solid cube and just simply grab. This time we are making the PCB. Okay, just simply align with this one, something like this and something like this. Okay, now simply leave here and go to solid view and change the origin point around here, and now shift A, add a solid cube. Now scale down and scale down, leave here, select and change the position and change the position. Okay, now let's add shift a new solid cube on the same in the edit mode. Okay, select this side, change the position and change the position and leave here. Okay, I think around here. Now let's shift A, add one more time, solid cube and scale down, scale down and change the position of this face. Let's add solid cube, bring it up. Okay, now select and press Ctrl P and leave. Okay, now select and press Ctrl P and leave. Let's come over here, select and press Ctrl P. Select and press Ctrl P. Okay, now shift A, add cylinder with lower vertices around 50. Okay, now scale down and grab around here, scale down, scale down. Okay, leave here. Now out from edit mode and select this one, and where is face select mode and bring it up. Okay, select this one, scale on Z axis, go to modifier, boolean, take a knife tool and apply and hide. Okay, now press 7, go to edit mode, select and grab, select and grab. S select mode, select and press Ctrl P and type segments around 1, select and move, select and move. Okay, solid view and look at this PCP. Okay, change the position around here. Okay, face select mode, make it thinner. Okay, that's enough. Go to edit mode, S select mode and press Ctrl left click, Ctrl left click, Ctrl left click, Ctrl left click and Ctrl left click and shift left click, Ctrl left click, Ctrl left click, left click, left click, left click and left click. No, left click, left click. Okay, now press Ctrl P, leave here. Let's come over here and assign this with new material. Okay, now change the origin point around here, shift A, add solid cube, give it new material, scale down, press 7, go to wireframe mode, scale on x-axis, scale on y-axis, press 1, scale on z-axis, solid view, modify, array modifier, and decrease, increase, not decrease. Okay, Shift D to duplicate on x-axis, leave around here and decrease. Okay, looking very nice. Control S to save. Okay, now press 7 and let's add cylinder with 6 vertices. Okay guys, now rotate on z-axis around -30 degrees and go to wireframe mode, scale down and grab. Okay, the hexagon cell. Okay, edit mode, select all the edges one by one. Okay, now press Ctrl B to make a little bit bevel. Okay, looking nice. Array modifier, just simply apply all transforms and I think 1 2 3 increase relative offset around here. Let's add one more time array modifier, this time on y-axis, minus 1 2 3 4. Okay, 4 times. Now let's shift D to duplicate on x-axis. Okay, now increase 5. Solid view. Set origin to geometry. Press 7. Wireframe mode. Shift D to duplicate on y-axis and leave around here. Okay. Now let's one more time. Shift D on y-axis, leave around here and cancel this array modifier. Okay. Now Shift D to duplicate this one and leave here. Okay, now let's type only 2. Okay, it's nice. Okay, as you can see, it's done. Now let's Shift D to duplicate and right click by cancelling the movement and click on move to collection and new collection, collection 2. Okay, now uncheck the collection 2 and click on collection 1. Now select. Now simply apply all the modifier one by one. Apply and apply and apply. Select, 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 select and select and joint and boolean. Modify. Take a knife tool and apply. And collection, move to collection 2. Okay, it's working very nicely. Okay, now this time adding blades around here. So simply just press 7, Shift A, add solid cube, grab and leave around here. Go to wireframe mode. Okay, I think just leave around here. Edit mode, change the geometry, select this side and change something like this. Select this one and change something like this. Okay, let's press Ctrl V to make bevel. Ctrl V to make bevel around here. I think there is so much bevel, just a little bit. Okay, press Ctrl R, leave here, change a little bit, press Ctrl P. Okay, select the corner, press Ctrl B and press Ctrl P, leave, go to side view, scale on Z axis and rotate on Y axis, no, X axis. But before, set origin to geometry, rotate on X axis, something like this. Press 7, it's working very nice. Okay, as you can see, rotate on Y axis, leave here. Okay, let's just give it a new material. Select on this one and Shift S, cursor to selected, click on this one, set origin to 3D cursor and Shift D to duplicate and press R on keyboard and press Z on keyboard and type 20°. I think 18, no, it's not working. 16 also not working. 14, I think 14 is enough. Now Shift R to repeat the action, something like this. So guys, blade are also completed. Okay, the next thing is save the project file. Okay, so guys, I think our part 1 part second also completed. So see you soon guys in our third part of Quadro graphics card tutorial. In the third part we are going to make a bracket around here and power connector cable around here, also the name around here. Okay, so see you soon in the next part. So subscribe my channel and press the notification bell so you never miss any update from me, from my channel. Okay, goodbye guys and stay tuned with me.